Everyone, this is M&M's from Sweet Sugar Plum Home. Look, we finally went and got a microwave stand. Remember I said I want to declutter this area over here, get rid of some of that stuff off of our countertop, make it look a little bit more smooth and clear. I don't like countertops that are so cluttered. But I mean, it's really not cluttered for some people. They like it like that. But I just feel that it should be room for something else. Maybe a blender there. So here, this is how far I gotten, and these are the directions. And I guess you guys are saying, where did you get it from? Well, I started to go to, like those flea markets and people that are selling garage stuff. We saw a few things at the garage sales during the summertime, but they were not. They were like more than the price of this. Would you believe it? And this is brand new. We bought it from quote unquote. You hear me now because I'm not advertising them, but we went to Walmart and he had it on sale. Believe it or not, for $30. And excuse me, for looking this way because I'm comfortable. I'm here trying to put, her kitchen still together. So this is still a kitchen decor idea. Now, and declutter too. Okay, so here you see it here. This is a picture of how it's going to look once I finish it. And I guess the microwave could go here, a toasting oven could go here, and other things can go at the bottom. You see? So this is how far I got. And guess what? It's simple to do. Here are some of the instructions. It's a hammer, fill screwdriver, and tape measurement. But guess what? No power tool needed. Why? Well, simply what they say, do not use power tools to assemble your furniture. It will strip and damage parts. Okay, so that's why you can't use a power tool on this one, and we do have power tools. But this is what I'm using right now. It's a plain, ordinary screwdriver. I have my hammer, my mallet, put this here, and I have my tape measurement, I guess, to make sure I have it precisely going evenly down here, because sometimes your floors or it's off even, so I really don't know too much about the house, but it's a beautiful home. But yes, still they could have the floor unleveled at some point. And I have the drawers that have not gone on yet, so we're gonna put that on a little later, okay? Now, so something just fall apart, y'all. Okay, so I'll screw that back in. Oh wow. So anyways, I didn't do that tight enough, so I'm gonna get that and put that back in. Finish following these instructions to get it all together. As you can see, instruction. And the instructions are not too bad. They have the parts labeled. They have like this part here would be, this is part, let me turn it around so you can see that they have it labeled. This is one, goes here, three, see, I might have put it upside down. Maybe they got the sticker upside down. But anyway, you have to put the parts together. And it shows you simple steps by step how to put it together. And this is really how it's supposed to go. You see? This is the whole diagram here. And I'll show you guys, because remember now, this is Thanksgiving holiday. Today is Friday. This is the day after Thanksgiving. So I'm going to go now, stop and go eat me some, maybe piece of ham and some potato salad or some greens. But I'm going to get me a piece of pie. Okay, to go on and order some stuffing. You name it, I'm going to go finish eating the food. So here we go, and I'll talk to you guys later, okay? If you have any questions, leave your comments down below. If you feel that I should have bought it from, what do you call it, Salvation Army, Goodwill, places like that. I went to check Goodwill, and their prices was the same price, $40. But I know I do contribute to Goodwill, and I do contribute to Salvation Army. There was a, matter of fact, I just had the Salvation Army came in and picked up the, well, I might have been, was it Salvation Army? Yeah, I think it was the Salvation Army. Picked up a vanity. It was a glass vanity. And they said, oh, this is so beautiful. They said, I'm surprised you didn't sell it online or something. I said, no, I want to give to people that are less fortunate like I am, but, still I needed cleaning out some stuff from my place. My place, not hers, but my place. So I gave away my vanity. Okay, it's worth it. And the vanity was like about almost $200, but you know, I had it since 2008. So, oh well, time for me to get something else new to play around with. Okay, so here you have it, Sweet Sugar Plum Home Decor idea. I think this helped with decluttering some of the stuff off of your your countertop over here, and you could put something else on there, that like maybe a blender go over there. I just don't like too much cluttering on the and it remind y'all now, I'm still doing her back splash here of her stove. As you can see, it's coming aligned. It has a diamond shape, but she said she didn't want to be fancy. So just leave your comment about once I finish this. I'll show you all this. I'm going to stop probably right in here. You know, I don't think it needs to be down that far because the grease is all the way right here. I don't see no grease down there. But anyway, I'll stop at the right up in here. And remember now, I'm an amateur, so I'm doing this the best I can. This is DIY. Do it yourself. I'm not bringing in no professional. And these things can be, as you can hear, it can be wiped down. So this is good. And she can buy some pots, you know, the copper pots, and match it. I guess maybe put some copper pot over here on the side of her thing. You know, put some hooks here if she wants to, because some people don't want hooks. Okay, so I'll be talking to y'all later. I'm just going to go get me something for lunch. Like I said, I'm going to finish up the Thanksgiving Day. And you guys finish having a great Thanksgiving holiday. We'll see you again. Well, as y'all can see, Nene is finished putting out the microwave stand. We're almost done. We're almost there. We just got to put the drawers on. How you going, Monet? This is Sweet Sugar Plum Home with M&M's.
As you can see, the project is almost completed.
Oh, wow. Yes, nice. It goes into the kitchen.
Got the wheels on. See, I put the wheels on.
Wow, it's nice,
The back
Monet.
part.
Okay, y'all, we'll be back.
Now I just gotta put the drawers on.
That's from M&M's from Sweet Sugar Plum Home. DIY, do it yourself sometimes, you know what I mean? And that's what we got so far. That's the microwave stand to declutter her countertop, okay, for the kitchen. So we'll talk to y'all later. Let us finish up this. Be back. Hello everyone, how is everybody doing? This is Millie Mill from Sweet Sugar Plum Home. Okay, so you know what we left off at during the holidays of the Thanksgiving holiday. I want to show y'all that I'm almost completed with all my project here for Monet, my relative that I wanted to show her how to have a Sweet Sugar Plum Home comfort. So what we have here, we almost finished with that. We don't want to discuss that. This is what I was putting up. Okay, I wanted to continue with the microwave stuff, the microwave storage bin, because this is important for her. She can declutter her countertop over there. Because I came from work, so you know I'm a little tongue twisted here. But anyway, so I did this by myself. Remember, I showed y'all the other video. If you can go back to that video, Sweet Sugar Plum Home. I guess microwave display. I don't even know if I put a title on it. But anyway, this is it. It's completed. And it's DIY. Do it yourself. Put it together. And remember what I told y'all. We went to all these flea markets and we found this here brand new. Okay? At what? I don't want to say that I am promoting them, but Walmart. Okay? And it was cheap. It was, well, not really cheap, but $20, I guess. I mean, excuse me, $30 or something. But at least we got this for her. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to show you how we're going to declutter this little area here. Can y'all see? Hope y'all can see. Okay. Okay, so we're going to declutter this for her. We're going to put this on the side over here. That's her toaster. And this is her microwave. Well, okay, so we're going to pull him out. It's not heavy, so we're going to put him over here to see how he looks. Okay. Whew. I feel like, you know, Well, this is the microwave. Now he got his own place here. Isn't that gorgeous? Well, okay, so this is where the microwave go. And you know, we could put the toaster over there. But I was thinking about putting a hole here. So we put the plug through. Or maybe we keep the toaster oven over here. But remember, the whole idea was to declutter this area for her. Let's see how it looks being decluttered. How it looks now, y'all. So I took away the toaster. Remember the toaster was left. Took it away. And there you have it. I hope y'all enjoy that tip. And this is a tip, you know, but you can keep your toaster here. Or you can put the blender. She has a blender up here. You can put a blender here. But you don't want to declutter things. But that's the idea. And what I was thinking of doing is to put him right down here. Okay? Look. He wants to fall apart. He seems like he's not comfortable over there. Look, just declutter it right here. Okay, you know, put this right here now. They both have their own stand. And look over there now. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that better? And she can go over there and slice up her food, her onions, her garlic, whatever. But I think that it needed to be decluttered. And then we're going to wipe that down because that's from the oven sitting over there. So we just take a sponge, wipe it down. And believe it or not, I usually use some lemon and water and baking soda to wipe this stuff down. Because sometimes I get allergic to like certain cleaning stuff. I mean, we have the dishwasher liquid here and stuff like that. But I usually mix a little bit of lemon, baking soda together, and that stuff cleans your counter really great. You know, if you're allergic to certain chemicals with, you know, spick and span, or, you know, a little bit of bleach and water would help too, because what you need is 1 part bleach to 10 part water. That cleans anything. Will clean any germs, I'm telling you. So, here we have it. Sweet Sugar Plum Home. How do y'all like it? Tell me about it. Comment on this, okay? This is Millie Mill for Monet doing her Sweet Sugar Plum Home decor. Tune in the next time, y'all. And remember now what I have already done. I want you to see the kitchen, how it's coming together. We have already put up some curtains up here. Some people will not even want the curtain. They'll just do the blinds. And they'll do like a little skirt up here. Okay? But she wanted a full a decor of her window. So we did that. Both windows. She has the windows going to the backyard, and she got the window going to her driveway. So we did that for her. So, and remember the display up here that I did, the decor I did here, and guess where I got these stuff from? These Decor, you know, you could stick it on anywhere. And they were only from the Dollar Tree. So, okay, until we meet again, we'll be tuning out right now from Sweet Sugar Plum Home, Millie Mill and Monet.